turn it up this way if you want to look in it.
Well, there, how about you? Yours is like a little birthday.
That's the bottom side.
What you did yesterday? I think your first day.
That's awesome.
Oh, dude, let's show your back one.
That was way back in 2020, girl. Back when I couldn't leave the house, I didn't know what to do.
So it's like
That's
that.
what makes that chemical come out in a spray.
Yep.